Trendy shapewear and bra tank tops are everywhere online, and Avuria.com is one of those sites advertising them with bold claims and big discounts. But is Avuria a legitimate online clothing store or a high-risk, possibly fake shop? Let's break it down. On its product pages, Avuria promotes items like built-in comfort bra tank top with claims of smoothing support, bag-friendly design, and thousands of glowing customer reviews. Ads promise big savings like up to 70% off, and testimonials show perfect scores and satisfied buyers. Looks great, but slip marketing and high ratings on the site aren't proof the shop is trustworthy. Independent review sites that analyze online stores gives Avuria very low trust scores and mark it as medium to high risk. One validator scored it at around 34.5 out of 100, warning it shows warning signs and suspicious activity. Here's what those risk checks and third-party reviewers highlight. The domain is very new, registered April 2025, and may expire soon. A pattern common with disposable scam sites. Brand ownership and contact details are hidden or minimal, with little verified business info. No strong presence of independent customer reviews on Trustpilot, Reddit, or recognized retail review sites. These are all red flags that caution against trusting a site at face value. With unverified clothing stores like this, shoppers often face problems such as items never arriving, products that look cheap or totally different from advertised photos, very limited or non-responsive customer support, making refunds difficult, and aggressive urgency marketing, pushing impulse purchases. These tactics are typical of many uncertain or risky online shops rather than established fashion retailers. If you're still tempted, use a secure buyer-protected payment method like PayPal or credit card so you have recourse if something goes wrong. Start with a small, inexpensive order as a test purchase and avoid sharing sensitive personal info beyond what's required for shipping. Even with these precautions, risk remains. So is Avuria.com a real or fake clothing store? It's high risk and unverified. Given the very new domain, hidden company info, poor independent trust scores, and lack of credible external reviews, we cannot confidently recommend this store as a trustworthy place to buy bra tank tops or shapewear. Our recommendation is to avoid spending significant money here, especially on pricier items, and shop instead with well-established fashion retailers that have verified customer feedback, clear contact info, and transparent business practices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.